Welcome back, students. So here is your Vren sir, and hope all of you are very fine today. And it's really a beautiful days, and you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand this tense. And the topics is your future perfect continuous tense. So it's very easy, my dear friends. So after watching this all, you must make the note copy so that you can understand it very good. So let's start it from the very beginnings. So here is your first page of this video. Welcome back, students. So here is a future perfect continuous tense. So this is also called future perfect progressive tense. So let's see its definition. Future perfect progressive is a form of the verb that show the action will continue until some point in the future. First example is over here. By tomorrow morning, Rima will have been dancing for 12 hours. So as we know that there are two helping verbs in this tense, will have been, shall have been, and it always takes ing form plus object. So what is your ing form? This is your fourth form of verb. So here is your first example, that is wrong. You don't write the first example because this is wrong, and your second and third one is right. So let's read the second example. By tomorrow evening, Ram will have been fighting with friends for 10 hours. Second one is your we shall have been writing a letter for 10 hours. So let's move on. Welcome back once again. Keep it in your minds, that's very important. My dear friends, keep it in your mind, that's very important. So let's know about the person. As you know very well, there are three kinds of person. First one is your first person, second one is your second person, and third one is your third persons. So first person singular is your I, first person plural is your we, second person singular is you, second person plural is you, and the third person singular is your he, she, it, and the third person plural is your they. So have a look. The first note, will, it's used with all person except first person singular and first person plural. Example is written here. He will have been dancing for 2 hours. Second note is here, let's see. Shall, it's used with first person singular and first person plurals. For example, he shall have been dancing for 2 hours. Second one is your we shall have been dancing for 2 hours. Welcome back once again. So let's see. As we know that there are 6 sentences in a tense. First one is your affirmative, second one is your negative, third one is your questions, fourth one is your questions negative, fifth one is your WH questions, and the sixth one is your WH questions negatives. So let's read the first structures. Subject plus will have been, shall have been plus ing plus object. So what is your S? S is subject, O is your object. So let's see the example. First one is your he will have been dancing for 2 hours. Second one is your he will not have been dancing for 2 hours. Third one is your will he have been dancing there for 2 hours. Fourth one is your will he not have been dancing there for 2 hours. Second last one is your why will have been dancing for 2 hours. And last one is your why will he not have been dancing for 2 hours. So my dear students, let's move on. Welcome back once again. So this is last page of this video, my students. So find out the error and make them correct sentence. So your first question is here. He will have been danced for 2 hours. So as you know very well, dance is your past participle, so it will take your present participle. So correct will be your ing form. So correct will be your dancing, and danced is your wrong. Let's see the next. Ram shall have been writing a letter for 2 hours. So as you know, Ram is your third person singular, so it will take your will, not shall. So correct will be your will. Let's move on. Third, why will Rima have been danced for 2 hours. So as you know, danced is your past participle. So it will take your present participle. So correct answer will be your dancing, not your danced. So my dear students, rest of the questions for you. You must go through this one so that you can understand it very good. So see you again in the next video. Till then, have fun. Bye bye.